So I started Lolo's in 1997 in October. I can remember that day like yesterday. It was Columbus weekend, and all of the homies, they was going to Cancun for Columbus weekend. They was like, man, come on, let's go to Cancun. I'm like, no, man. Exactly. But my homies that was going to Cancun, those was my record people. So those was the homies I was doing the music with. But I had already started passing out the flyers, letting everybody know that Lolo's was going to debut that weekend. And, I had to honor it. I had did too much work getting the word out, getting the flyers out around town, flying cars myself, grocery stores, churches, concerts, games,